Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. This is Kritika. I am handling 10th Standard Maths. I hope you and your family members are safe at home. Before entering into the session, I just want to share the motivational quotes. Sometimes, when you are in a dark place, you think you have been buried, but you have actually been planted. Exercise 1.3, fourth question. A graph representing the function f of x is given in figure. It is clear that f of 9 equal to 2. First subdivision. Find the following values of the function f of 0, f of 7, f of 2, f of 10. Second subdivision. For what values of x is f of x equal to 1. Third subdivision, describe the following domain and range. Fourth subdivision, what is the image of 6 under F? Here, first of all, see the first one. Here, a graph representing the function f of x. Here, the given figure is the graph. So, it is clear that f of 9 equal to 2. So, here the given is f of 9 equal to 2. Here in graph itself they mention y equal to f of x. So y equal to f of x means here 9 is considered as x, 2 is considered as y. That is we have seen in the note, that is if f of a equal to b. Here b represents image and a represents pre-image. Likewise, here we can say that for x as considered as pre-image, y as considered as image. From this, we want to find the following values. How to solve this? By using the graph, we can find the function. So, first one, see that here f of 0. Here, a subdivision for first one, a f of 0. We want to find. Here 0 is represent as x or y? Yes, x. Because here see f of 9 equal to 2. So that means for 9 is considered as x. So here 0 is considered as x. So see the graph. This is the x-axis. This one is y-axis. That is, we have to say that vertical, horizontal. Horizontal is considered as the x-axis. Vertical is considered as the y-axis. For the x-axis, they mention 0 to 10. Likewise, for the y-axis, they mention 0 to 10. Here they ask for f of 0. For image, they want to find for the function image. So 0 is here. So we want to say the image means that is what? Y. So that is we want to see in the y axis. So 0, if it is mentioned in the graph, that is 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 8. Up to this, there is no pointed value. Only in the pointed is in 9. So f of 0 equal to 9. Likewise, B f of 7. So here see where is the 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is here. So 7, here the pointed value is, that is 6. So f of 7 equal to 6. Then C f of 2. So 2 is here. So 2 is mentioned in which images, that is 6. Then D f of 10. So f of 10 is as it is in the x-axis. So what is your image? That is 0. Or pointed value same point, that is in the x-axis or otherwise in the y-axis means the value is what? 0. Because 0 is considered as the origin for the x-axis and also for the y-axis. Then we want to move on to the second subdivision, that is for what value of x is f of x equal to 1. So, here the given is f of x equal to 1. to find the value of x. So 1 is considered as image or pre-image. That is image. Image is represented as y. So here we want to see the y-axis. So here 1 is represented here. From this we want to find the x. So move on to the horizontal axis. Like that, if you move on means here they mention that pointed is here. That is in between the 9 and 10. So it is cutted as at the point 9.5. See here 1, 2, 3. Because middle point they mention in your book, that is clear in the axis. So check there in book. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 10. So in between they mention means the answer is 9.5. So the value for x equal to 9.5. Then the third subdivision is describe. Describe the following. First the subdivision is domain. Second one is range. So for this here describe. If you know that there are 3 forms in our representation for the set, that is descriptive form, set builder form and roster form. In question they mention describe. If they mention means you have to write in the set builder form. So here domain and range they ask. From this graph, we want to say the axis for the domain and also for the range. So, here x-axis considered as the domain and y-axis considered as the codomain. So, here domain is mentioned as 0 to 10 because 0 also considered as the pointing value at 9 and also 10 also pointed there. So, here the between values are 0 to 10. So, here domain is considered as 0 to 10. Range means we have to, that is we have to under f. What are the arrows if you are going on, that is range. Here the pointed values starting here 0 to 9 because 10 there is no pointed value. For the range you have to consider as 0 to 9. So here domain is, already I said, for the describe we have to mention in the set builder form. So domain equal to set builder form means you have to start with the set bracket. Here domain, that is started from the f of x they mention. Here only they mention is f of x. A graph representing in the first line itself they mention f of x. So both the terms are in the x. So here x such that is in between starting from ending you have to mention, that is 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. So here x belongs to R because they didn't mention the natural numbers, whole numbers, like that they didn't mention. So here they consider as real numbers. So always you have to, they didn't mention means you have to mention real numbers. Then we want to write the range. Already I had said here the function is f of x. So here also we have to mention x alone. So x such that 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9 because the range value pointed up to 9. So x belongs to R. Then last subdivision, that is what is the image of 6 under f. So here they ask image. So image means what? That is y. So for this f of 6 they ask. So f of 6 means you have to see the x-axis in 6. So see here 6 is here. The pointed y is, that is point number 5. So the axis line passing through the point, that is 5. So here the image is 5. So here we want to write the image of 6 under f equal to 5. Again I have recall you. In question they mention a graph representing the function f of x is given in the figure. இங்கே வந்து ஃபிகர்லன்னு சொல்கிறது அந்த கிராஃபை தான் ஃபிகர்னு மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ தட் இஸ் கிளியர். எஃப் ஆஃப் 9 ஈக்குவல் டு 2. இட் இஸ் ஒரு ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு கிவன் மாதிரி தான், அது ஒரு க்ளூ பாயிண்ட் தான். அதை வச்சு தான் இந்த 4 சப்டிவிஷனையும் we have to find. So from this we have to know that f of a equal to b. That means b is the image and a is a pre-image. So pre-image image அப்படிங்கும் போது இங்கே they mention as x, f of x. So y equal to f of x means here f of x equal to y. So here the f of 9 means 9 is considered as x and 2 is considered as y. ஸோ கிராஃபை கிளியராக நீங்கள் புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா மட்டும்தான் உங்களால் இந்த பாயிண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணி போட முடியும். ஸோ நமக்கு எது எக்ஸு எது ஒய் அப்படிங்கிறது நமக்கு கிளியர் கட்டாக தெரிஞ்சால் மட்டும்தான் we have to find the 4 subdivisions. ஸோ அங்கே f of 0 அப்படிங்கும்போது 0ங்கிறது எக்ஸில் பார்க்கணும். ஸோ எக்ஸ் ஆக்சிஸ் y axis. ஸோ 0 is here. ஸோ பாயிண்டட் வேல்யூ எங்கே அப்படிங்கும்போது 9ல் தான் பாயிண்ட் ஆகிருக்கு. ஸோ 0ன்ற வேல்யூ. ஸோ இங்கே பாயிண்ட் என்னது 0,9. ஸோ அங்கே பாயிண்ட் எக்ஸ் 0வாக இருந்தால் y என்னவாக இருக்கும் 9ஆக இருக்கும். ஸோ f of 0 equal to 9. Likewise the remaining 3 subdivision. Then second one, here they ask find the value for x. So f of x equal to 1. Here they mention the image கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, x கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்கிறாங்க. அப்போ இமேஜுங்கிறது அது y. ஸோ அப்போ yங்கிறது 1 இங்கே இருக்குது. ஸோ we have to move on the point, that is the point lies on the 9.5. அங்கே தான் மென்ஷன் ஆயிருக்கு. ஸோ ஆன்சர் இஸ் 9.5. Then third one, describe அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்கனாவே that is set builder form. In domain and range we have to write in the set builder form. In 9th standard itself we have known that is representation of a set. There are 3 forms, that is descriptive form, set builder form and roster form. ஸோ அந்த 3 வச்சு தான் இந்த டொமைன் அண்ட் ரேஞ்சை எழுதியிருக்கோம். இன் பிட்வீன் வேல்யூஸ், அதாவது எங்கே பாயிண்ட் ஆகிருக்கோ, எங்கே ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிருக்கு, எங்கே ஃபினிஷ் ஆகிருக்கு. ஸோ 0ல் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். எது வரைக்கும் கம்ப்ளீட்டட் 10. ஸோ அதனால தான் அங்கே என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கோம் 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10 மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். லைக்வைஸ் ரேஞ்சுங்கிறது அந்த இது எந்தெந்ததுக்கெல்லாம் பாயிண்ட் அவுட் ஆகிருக்கோ அது மட்டும்தான் நமக்கு ரேஞ்சு, இல்லாததை நம்ம சொல்ல மாட்டோம். பட் கோடொமைன் கேட்டிருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா 0 to 10 தான் மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருப்போம். பட் ஹியர் 9 is up to 9 they mention the point. So here the answer is 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. ஸோ அதனால தான் ரேஞ்ச் அது வரைக்கும் எழுதியிருக்கோம். இங்கே வாட் இஸ் த இமேஜ்? ஸோ இமேஜுங்கும் போது நமக்கு ஒய் கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ அப்போ ஒய்ங்கும் போது f of 6 கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ அப்போ 6ங்கும் போது எக்ஸ் ஆக்சிஸில் பார்க்கணும். ஸோ எக்ஸ் ஆக்சிஸ்லேருந்து பாயிண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணும்போது அந்த பாயிண்ட் எங்கே இருக்குது 5. ஸோ த இமேஜ் ஆஃப் 6 அண்டர் f is equal to 5. 7th question. An open box is to be made from a square piece of material 24 cm on a side by cutting equal squares from the corners and turning up the side as shown in the figure. Express the volume of the box as the function of x. Here we want to find the volume of the box. First of all, here they mention, here one figure is there, that is here this is a square, that is they mention in the book, that is in up to this the pointed value is 24 minus 2x. Here this place is represented as x. Square means all the sides are equal. Here the sides mention as 24 centimeter. If you fold and turning up means here x is there, here also x. So totally we have a 2x. So 2x means, so totally 2x means if you are subtracted means the remaining portion we have to find. So the remaining portion also they given 24 minus 2x. Now I just show the model. See, this is a open box. Think this is a open box because I have do in the paper. That is if you have seen in the bakery also, if you are known, that is not folding box. If you have, this is not folding box, so it is square. So all the sides represent as 24 centimeter. So here 24 centimeter, 24. But here this small piece of portion is considered as x. So here also x, here also x. Totally we have a 24 centimeter. Then for this here also x, here also x. So x plus x, we know that x plus x that is equal to here we have the coefficient is 1. Here also we have the coefficient is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2x. If you have in the multiplication alone, you have to add the powers. For the addition, just add the coefficient and write the same algebraic term. So that is 2x. Totally we have a 24 centimeter. Now we want to know the square of the box. That is, here we have if we are turning up, that is if we have fold and turning up means we have the remaining part is this one. So if you have minus means, that is if you have subtract the portion means we get the remaining portion. So the value is 24 minus 2x. So here 24 minus 2x means here also what? 24 minus 2x. So suppose if you have fold in your question, that is the second image is there, that is folding type. So if you have fold like this, we have to fold the four corners also. So if you fold means if you look like a box, so it is a box. From this, here they ask volume. First of all, that is square of the paper, that is which dimensional? That is 2D dimensional. Square is represented as 2D dimensional. Now it is folded, so it is 3D dimensional. For the square, if it is come to the 3D dimension means that is represented as volume of the cuboid. They ask the cuboid volume. The box look like the shape is cuboid. For this, what is the formula? See, here they ask volume of the cuboid. So volume of the cuboid, that is L into B into H cubic units. So here L is represented as length, B is represented as breadth, and H is height. Already we find that is here length, we have a length and breadth is there. So same sides are there. So both are same. So here L equal to 24 minus 2x centimeter, B equal to 24 minus 2x centimeter. For this height they mention here, height is what? X. In the cuboid, if you have folded means only one side is there. So here this is the height. So height is what? X. So h equal to x centimeter. Now we want to multiple. So here 24 minus 2x into 24 minus 2x into x. So here volume equal to, here if we have multiple means you know that, but binomial multiplication and also trinomial multiplication. Here see that here both are same. So here we have the power is 1. Here also we have the power is 1. Suppose x into x means we have to say what? X squared. Here also in between they have the multiplication. So just 24 minus 2x the whole squared into x. Here x is there, so you have to write x. So now here we can use the formula. What is that formula? That is a minus b the whole squared, that is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Here a equal to 24, b equal to 2x. So now we want to substitute in the formula. So here a squared, that means 24 squared minus 2 into 24 into 2x plus 2x the whole squared. This is finishing up to whole squared. Here remaining one is there, that is into x. So into x is also here mentioned. So here x I have mentioned here. Then now 24 into 24, if you know means you have to write straightly, or otherwise by using the normal multiplication. 24 into 24, 4 fours are 16. First you have to multiply with the 4. 4 fours are 16, balance 1. 2 fours are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Then you have to move on to the second row. You have to write into or otherwise 0. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Now you have to add 6, 17, 5. So answer is 576. So 576. Here you have to multiple. So here if you have multiple means 2 24s are 48. 48 into 2 means that is 96. So minus 96x plus here 2x the whole squared. So 2x the whole square means you have to multiply 2 times. So 2 2s are 4. Then x into x, x squared. So here into x. Now x is multiple with the 3 terms. So first one is if we multiple means 576 into x, that is 576x minus, because minus into plus, minus 96x into x. So 96 x squared. Then plus 4 plus into plus 4x squared into x, that is 4x cube. Now you have to write in the order big to small. So volume of the box equal to 4x cube minus 96x squared plus 576x. Here the unit is cubic unit. So that means what you have mentioned? Centimeter cube or otherwise cubic centimeter. Because the side is mentioned as 24 centimeter. 10th question. The data in the adjacent table depicts the length of the person forehand and their corresponding height. Based on this data, a student finds a relationship between the height and the forehead length as y equal to ax plus b, where a, b are constants. Here we want to find the four subdivision. First of all, from this question, they mention the relationship between the height and the length. Height is represented as y and the length is considered as x. So here the given is y equal to ax plus b. Y equal to ax plus b. This is your given. From this, we have to find the four subdivision. So here and one more thing is there. A, B are constants. Constant means numbers. So here first subdivision is check if this relation is a function. For function, what is the condition? Every element of the domain has a unique image. From the table column, see 35, 56, 45, 65, 50, 69.5, 55, 74. For the each domain, we have a unique image. So, it is a function or not? Yes, it is a function. So, for the first subdivision, yes, it is a function. Then second subdivision, find A and B. Here already they mention as the equation, that is from that we can make the two equation for finding the value A and B. How can solve this? From the table we can choose any two columns, that is 35, 56 or otherwise 45. Rows we have to choose because length and height we can choose 35, 56 and 45, 65, 50, 69.5, 55, 74. Here you can choose any two. So here I can choose the 35, 56 and 45, 65. Because length is considered as x, height is considered as y. So here for the first value you have to substitute. Here y is 56 from the table. So table, that is 35, 56. Another one is 45, 65. So this is x, this is y. So first 56 equal to a we didn't know. So a x. So in place of x here we have to mention 35. So into 35 plus b. So here consider as a into 35, that is 35a plus b equal to 56. This is considered as the first equation. Likewise, for the second one, that is 65 equal to a into 45 plus b. So now we have right 45a plus b equal to 65. This is considered as the second equation. Here we can solve by using the arithmetical operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. From by using this we can solve this two equation. Here b is here also b is same term but same symbol also. So if it is minus means, that is different means, we can cancel here. So for that we have to do one thing, that is second equation minus first equation, because see that here 45, here 35, here 65, here 56. So both the values if you consider means this is the bigger, so I have choose the second equation as the first equation. So 45a, this is the second equation, plus b equal to 65. Then the first equation is 35a plus b equal to 56. So here we want to subtract. So second equation minus first equation. So throughout you have to change the sign. Plus means if it is changed into minus. So here also plus, minus. So here also minus. So if you have subtracted means 45 minus 35 means that is 10a. Here plus b minus b. So it is cancelled, equal to 65 minus 56. Now you have to borrow. So it is considered as 5. This is 15. So 15 minus 6, that means 9. Which one is bigger? This 65 is bigger. So the positive value alone come. So here minus and minus. So 5 minus 5, 0. So here we get 9. So a equal to 9. If here 10 into a. Into if it is go to the right hand side means that is divide. So divided by 10. For the division, if we have 0, for 1 0 means the point will become move on to the left hand side. So here 1 0 is there. So point a equal to one number before, that is 0.9. So now we find the a. From this we have to find the b value. So substitute in any one equation. Here I have choose the first equation. So substitute a equal to 0.9 in first equation. So the first equation is 35a plus b equal to 56. So in place of a, here you have to 0.9 you have to substitute. So 35 into 0.9 plus b equal to 56. So here you want to multiple. So 35 into 0.9. So point is there. So that is no problem. At last alone you have to use the decimal, or otherwise just you have to multiple. So 9 5s are 45, 4, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 4, that is 31. Here one number alone before we have a decimal. So one number before 31.5. So now 31.5 plus b equal to 56. Here plus 31.5 because we want to find the b alone. Remaining term it will be go on to the right hand side. So plus means it will be go on that side means minus. So b equal to 56 minus 31.5. Here you want to subtract. So 56. This is a whole number. This is a decimal number. So decimal is after the whole number. So 31 is considered as the whole number and decimal 0.5 is there. So before also 0 because there is no number means we have to write point as 0. Then now borrow from the near number. This is considered as 5. This is 10. So 10 minus 5 we get 5. Same position for the decimal point. Then 5 minus 1 that is 4. 5 minus 3 2. So b equal to we get 24.5. So therefore a equal to 0.9, b equal to 24.5. Now we finished the second subdivision. Next, move on to the third subdivision. Third subdivision is find the height of a person whose forehand length is 40 centimeter. Here find the height. Height is considered as y. Then here the given is length, that is 40 centimeter. So here the third subdivision, given is length. Length is considered as x. So x equal to 40 centimeter. Here already the students' relationship between the height and length, the equation is y equal to ax plus b. Here we want to find the height, that is y equal to. So here we want to find the y. So in place of x we have to substitute 40. Already we know the a and b. In the second subdivision we find. So just you have to substitute. So y equal to, in place of a, substitute 0.9 into 40 plus 24.5. Now you have to multiple. So 0.9 into 40. So 9 into 0, 0. 9 4s are 36. 0 is multiple means 0, 0. So 0, 6, 3. Here one number before decimal is there. So point. After the point, if you have 0 means you have to write as the whole number. So that is 36 plus 24.5. Now you have to add. So 36.0, 24.5. Now you have to add 0 plus 5, 5. In same position the decimal point. 6 plus 4, 10. Balance 1. Here 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So here height is 60.5. So y equal to 60.5. So that is height equal to, here they mention in the tabular column itself, length x is considered as the unit as centimeter and height that is considered as inches. So here height equal to 60.5 inches. Likewise, fourth subdivision we want to find. Here find the length of forehand of a person if the height is 53.3 inches. Here we want to find the length. That means we want to find the x. The given is height, that is y. The value is 53.3 inches. So here the given is height, y equal to 53.3 inches. We want to find the length, x. So same procedure. Here the given equation is ax plus b. So here we want to substitute. So in place of y you have to substitute 53.3 and ab in second subdivision itself we find. So that's values we want to substitute. So here y is 53.3 equal to, in place of a, 0.9. X we didn't know. So as it is x plus b is there, that is 24.5. So first of all here plus 24.5. Here we have with the variable. So we didn't multiple. So just 24 plus 24.5 is move on to the left hand side means that is minus. So here the value is 53.3 minus 24.5 equal to 0.9 into x. Now we want to subtract. So 53.3, 24.5. 3 minus 5 we didn't subtract. So nearby you have to borrow. This is considered as 2. Here 13. So 13 minus 5 means we get 8. Decimal. 2 minus 4 we can't. So borrow from the near number. So 4. This is considered as 12. So if you subtract means 12 minus 4 we get 8. Here 4 minus 2, 2. So 28.8. So 28.8 equal to 0.9 x. here 0.9 into x. So into, if it is go that side means that is divide. So x equal to 28.8 divided by 0.9. You know that is in the division. If you have the denominator as decimal means you have to multiple with the 1000 by basic the by for using the decimal. So here we have a one number, we have decimal point, so just you have to multiple with the 10. If you have two numbers before the decimal means you have to multiple with the 100. So just 28.8, 0.9. If you have multiple with the denominator, you have to multiple with the numerator also. So for this, here also we have a 1 point. So move on right hand side. If it is move means the decimal will be cancelled. So 288 divided by 9. So now just using the division, you have to solve this. From this you have to straightly cancel means you know that means you have to cancel, or otherwise you have to use the normal division. From this numerator as right in the inside divided by 9. So 9 table 28 if you have to consider means 3 9s are 27, remaining 1 8 it will be come down, then 18 is there, so 2 9s are 18 0. If it is by the straight cancel means 1 9 is 9, 3 9s are 27, remaining 1 2 9s are 18. Likewise you have to solve. So here x equal to 32. X is considered as length, so length of the forehand equal to 32 centimeter.